Okay, I don't know what the fuck the problem is, but my camera literally I just filmed this entire thing and it was out of focus. So anyway. So, you want to start a Notion. You're probably part of the study community, or you just found Notion and you're like, what the hell is this? How the fuck am I even supposed to use this to be productive or be organized or keep my shit together? So, if you're a college student or you work or do more than one thing in a day, this video is for you. I'm going to show you my Notion, how I live with my Notion, how I use my Notion, and it works really well for me. I'm currently doing very well in school. I work, I stream on Twitch, I do this stuff sometimes, try to stay more organized, but I love my Notion and I worked really hard on finding a system that works. My Notion is very focused on school, so if you're not in school, this might not be the video for you. But if you are in school and you're trying to figure out how to stay organized with all the shit going on, stick around and I'll show you how I do it. I've been using Notion for like 6 months now and I absolutely love it. Don't get me wrong. If you're here to see a very aesthetic and cute Notion, you came to the wrong place. Mine is not cute, not aesthetic. It is literally only useful. I use it to stay organized and literally just use it. Like, it doesn't look very cute at all. I mean, it doesn't really have to be cute if I'm getting shit done. Am I right? That's the whole point of Notion. Be productive, organize your shit, get your shit done. Literally what Notion is for. When I started using Notion, I watched like 8 different Notion videos, all with like really cute aesthetic stuff. I had all of that stuff. I didn't use any of it, so I scratched all of it, made my own. Now it's very simple, very minimalist, very effective in staying productive and staying organized. So let's look at my Notion. So right off the bat, coming into my Notion, we have the Life Hub tab, which has like my important dates. Like right now, like I want to stream on every Saturday, upload YouTube videos on Fridays. Usually if I have something coming up, like, I don't know, like a meeting or something, then I'll like add right here, blah, 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 and then the date. But right now I have nothing coming up. So anyways, continuing, I have my to-do list, which is pretty fucking, it's pretty boring. There's not a lot going on, but it's kind of cool because when you knock it off, you can like click and blah, blah, blah. I'm rereading Midnight Sun. Yes, I know. Okay. Then there's like the other stuff like YouTube, which I use this table part like right now. I'm filming. This is actually a day late. Oh my god. I'm not even using this correctly. Okay. I was supposed to film this yesterday and then edit and then post because my post days are Friday. So once I check it off, it disappears, and I did this by using the filter setting and only showing when done is unchecked, as well as sorting by date order. So going back to Life Hub, we have Twitch, which is just like some video ideas or like Twitch ideas that I've had for like streaming and who I use like solo, or if I'm gonna be like with my friend or with my younger sibling, and then like what game I'll be playing and stuff like that, just to kind of keep track of what I want to do. Then we have this part, which, okay, yeah, so I run a little Etsy shop, so this is all the Etsy stuff. These are all links to those things, and then I have little bullet marks and then check boxes. It's very, very, very simple. Then I have this, of course, because I'm trying to learn more about Wiccan and all that stuff, Wicca, all that fun stuff. Hold on. Anyways, so I'm trying to learn more about that stuff. So this links straight to my Google Doc, which I'm not going to click on. But so as for long term, I have a reading list thing set up where I have like the title of the book, author, and then I want to read or read or currently reading, and then I also leave like a little rating. That's so like when I go on my Goodreads, I can look back and add those things and stuff like that. And then I have like my yearly goals, which are personnel, so I'm not gonna click on it, but I have like a yearly goals tab, and then this is a scholarship thing tab, which I could just delete it because I don't even use it. But I'm also researching master's programs right now, and I want to put all my information in one place, so I'm using that. So now for the big part. University Hub. This is where I spend all of my time when I'm on this freaking app or website. University Hub. So without further ado, getting into the university, we have my classes, which of course, so this right here is an entire comprehensive like list of every single assignment for every single class all in one place. So this looks like holy shit, there's so much to do, but this is like for as much as I have for the whole semester. As much as I know. Some of my classes give me all my assignments and some of them don't give me all of them right away, but when they do give me them all right away, I can put them in here and then I know what I'm doing. So this is how I stay organized during this shit ass semester. So we have this class, we have one class, blah 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 blah. I don't know if I should, I'm probably gonna block out the professor's name if I can figure out how. But anyway, so we have my EES1 class, which is my Natural Disasters Earth Science lecture course. So right here I put the assignment name, when it's due, and I can add a time, so if it's due at like 11:59, and then types. So for my types, I have like a ton of different things. I have homework, reading, essay, exam, quiz, video, podcast. So all of these are readings. And then the course, so I have all my courses and all my old courses from like last semester. And then the check marks. So the way that I get this to look like this is, so for each class, I go to course and I make sure it's set to this course, but on the filter, I'll put only show course is EES1 and stuff that's not done. And then I also sort by date order, and that's how this looks like this. And that's why when I go back, and I click on, let's say this one, it's the same kind of thing, but it's only for this class. So it's like that for every single one. And then this is every single class just in date order and not completed. So if I don't want to do a specific class and I'm like, what's the thing that's most important, like what's due the soonest to right now, then I look at this big ass list and I go, okay, so this priority is this one right here. So going back to how I set up my class sheets, I have the class name, the class course, what it is, my lecture days and times, where it is, which via Zoom right now, because you know, but my instructor, the email, which is right above the link to syllabus, and I attach the syllabus, so as soon as I click on it, it opens it up, because I hate digging through like my school site and trying to find it every time I need a quick question answered. So so yeah, it's pretty cool, and I'm pretty sure that's it. So every time I finish a class, I click it and I drag it into archives. So my archives are actually full of all of my old classes that I've taken. So yeah, we've been over everything. Okay. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys liked my Notion tour. I am going to be updating my Notion a little bit. I feel like there's stuff I don't use, and I feel like there's stuff that I could use on it. So I will be updating it and then testing it out for a little bit, and if I like it, I will show you the updated version of my Notion. So, shout out to my mom for this mug. It says Cat Mom on it. Very cute, very fun. I'm currently drinking an energy drink out of it. Whatever. There are no rules to what you should put in a mug, so don't let people tell you what you should and shouldn't put in a mug. Shout out to my mom. This was a good purchase. Yeah. So that was my Notion tour. I hope you liked it. If you have any questions about my Notion or how I did certain things, feel free to drop a comment in the comment section down below. And if it's a short answer, I'll just reply. And if it's a long answer, I'll post a video about it. And yeah. Ooh, subscribe if you like what you saw. Dislike if you didn't. Oh, in addition, sorry, thought I was done, but I'm not done talking to you. If you watched my room tour video and you subscribed to me from that, stay tuned because the next video is an updated room tour, because obviously my room looks very, very different than the room in that picture. So stay tuned for that. That's coming next. Bye.